everybody. Today I'll be opening another 2025 proof set. Well, let's open. Alright, I got it open. Now, let's open this, my second proof set, which hopefully these will be worth a lot. No, let me get that box out of the way. Beautiful. These really are just beautiful sets. You can get them on the US Mint website for about $40, but if you $46 with the shipping. These really are just beautiful coins. Some people track these out and get them opened. They track them out and then are graded. Sorry, and these are really just beautiful sets. I'd get one if I were you, because these should be worth a lot. The penny alone is worth around $30, and the rest of them the Trinity alone, not even a silver one, just this one, sells for $15 alone, and the rest of them sell for a lot too. And then you have the second set, which they started including a few years ago, the Women's History quarters, which are just beautiful too. Well, that'll be all for today's video. I hope you liked it, and like and subscribe. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments.